guys, so I know I said I was gonna start posting more on YouTube, and it's been a few months since I said that, and I have not. So I am going to bring you guys along with me today. I had a 6 a.m. morning today. I already took my little to school, and I actually got woken up by a wake-up call. My man called me. I usually text him as soon as I wake up, and today he was like, where is it? Where's my text? It's already past 6:30. Hello. So he woke me up, and I made the baby breakfast, and yeah, I dropped him off at school. I have to drop off some stuff at UPS, some returns. I'm gonna go home and work out and bring you guys along with me. I just finished a 40-minute workout. Felt good. I'm gonna make myself some breakfast, protein fueled, because I'm trying to obviously drop some weight, but I'm trying to keep my curves. And yeah, today was upper body, so I did some core and then upper body. Sorry if I look crazy. But yeah, I'm gonna eat. I'll show you guys what I make, and then I'm gonna shower and get ready for the day. Okay, so this is my breakfast. I did 1 whole egg and 3/4 of a cup of egg whites, an avocado, half of an avocado. I chopped up some green bell peppers and purple onions. This is homemade salsa that I made the other day, so I sprinkled that on top, and cotija cheese and coconut strawberry Celsius. And while I eat, I'm gonna watch my girl.
Back and pregnant as ever.
Old videos because I need to catch up. Anyway, talk to you later. I just finished my breakfast, and before I do anything else, I want to clean my kitchen. So that it could be nice and clean for when my man's wakes up. And then I'm gonna go shower. There are some days where I use the dishwasher, and it's mostly on days when I'm busy and I know I have to do something. So I don't always use the dishwasher. I do wash my own dishes. Thank you very much. The house that I live in right now is a 2-story house, and there's many rooms in this house. If I try to clean every single room in this house, I won't be done in an hour or 2. So I try to focus on one room at a time. Each day I do something different around the house. Unless I'm not gonna do anything at all that day, then I can get the house cleaned faster. But I do try to focus one room at a time. My life has changed a bit, so I do things differently now. And I did speak about it in my previous video. I will link it somewhere around here so you guys can go ahead and take a look. I don't know about you guys, but I'm the happiest when my home is clean and it smells good. Sometimes I clean the night before I go to sleep, and sometimes I clean in the mornings after I do my drop off and my workout. I do try to keep it as neat as possible because I do love having a clean space for not only myself, my family, but my man. He works really hard for us, so my way of paying him back is by making sure that when he comes home, it's nice and peaceful and clean. So I do my part in that way. This house, like I said, is huge. Too many rooms to do it all in one day. But for the most part, everything is pretty picked up. And then it gets deep cleaned on different days. If anyone knows of a good degreaser, please let me know. I need it for my grates. I try to clean them as best as possible, but I can never get them to be like 1,000% beautiful. So let me know. Drop it in the comments down below. Also, do you guys clean your whole house in one day? If you do, give me your strategy because I've been struggling. The truth is, though, I have so much to do in my day-to-day life. If I'm not going here, I'm going there. If I don't have to go to the grocery store, I have to do something else. My days are busy, so I just don't have the time. So I'm trying to hurry up because Leah goes to work today. And my man gave me some money, so I want to go to her job maybe and see if I can find a decoration for spring or like St. Patrick's Day or something. My man is half Irish, half Korean. So yeah, let's get ready. Do a lip mask while I get ready. My overlay popped off, so don't judge me. I'm gonna fix my nails. They need to be green for this month. Mia starts at 1:15, so I need to be ready by 1. It's 12:05. See if I make it. I'm done. 12:39. I made it before 1. Hair and makeup. So I did just my everyday, like, quick makeup look that I do whenever I just need to get, like, out of the house. We're gonna go to Burlington right now. I want to see if I can find something either for myself or something for the house, maybe something for a centerpiece for our table, or maybe like the front door. I'm down to get it. I just don't know. I need to see what I'm gonna get. My beautiful, amazing man, gave me some funds, so here we go. There's been a change in plans. No shopping. I had to hurry up and go get my little from school. It's one of those days when they get off early and you forgot, I forgot. I didn't have to cook today because my man made some Hawaiian inspired burritos that were chef's kiss, but so spicy I couldn't even finish the rest of mine. But yeah, he's off to work. Leah's up in her room, so it's just me and the baby winding down in the living room. Part of my evening wind down is some tablet time for me and some hop time for him. on his phone while the TV is playing. This is after my man leaves already. It is 7:57. We're gonna get into our routine where I take him upstairs to take a shower. His phone is put away, and then by 9 p.m. I'm already trying to put him down to sleep, and then I'm able to, while he's winding down, I'm able to start my own routine. Tonight is laser, so maybe I'll share that with you guys. Here he is after his shower, and now I can start my routine while he winds down. So every night is different for me. Tonight I am doing IPL at home. I have a friend named Stephanie who let me borrow her laser, and I've been using it constantly 1 day per week, and it's working for me. I feel like it's working. So I cleanse my face, and then I use a makeup remover wipe to make sure everything's gone. And when you use the IPL on your face, you're supposed to shave. That's where I was messing up before. I was not shaving my face before I used the IPL. Main reasons why I'm using my IPL is because 1, I have a lot of hair, and 2, it grows in places that I wish it didn't. So yes, I do have to shave my upper lip to be able to use the IPL so it works correctly. I used to tweeze. Then I found out if you tweeze it, there's no hair follicle that is being burnt. So I had to start shaving where I'm going to laser so that it's effective. This IPL has different settings. It depends on how thick and how dark your hair is. I am almost at the last setting. It does feel warm. You do feel like a little zap. Nothing painful though. I think it's manageable. I do it fine. While using the IPL, you do smell like a little burnt scent. That means it's working. So don't be scared if you want to use one, or if you're using one. You're not doing anything wrong. You're not supposed to put lotion on your face before. It has to be like freshly washed face or body part, and letting it dry, and then do the IPL, and then wash your face again or shower, and then you can put on the lotion. And here you guys are going to see my very favorite hair curler. It's heatless curls. I love this. You put it on. At first it's a little hard to get comfortable when you try to go to sleep with it on, but you get used to it, and you just leave it in overnight. In the morning you wake up, you pull it off, and you have really cute curls. This is part of the things that I do to try to look put together when I am so busy. Anyways, I hope you guys really enjoyed my video. Please come back, and I'll see you next time.